Action to Work is a jobs fair with a difference. It's a jobs fair with a buzz. Why? Because every company you meet face to face will have an Action to Work opportunity. That means job vacancies, training and development, taster sessions with employers, work experience, short-term contracts, apprenticeships, volunteering and internships. Take up one of over 700 Action to Work opportunities across different sectors and industries. That's right, over 700 opportunities just for you, and we're still counting. All you have to do is to decide what you want. So, just ask yourself, if you're ready for employment, excited to try something new, want a career change, ready to learn new skills, need a challenge, the choice is yours. Whichever sector you want to work in, from retail, recruitment, the service industry, catering, hospitality, home installation services, fire brigades to IT, and many more, we probably have it. Just drop into the support zone for advice on CVs, applications, how to ace that interview, managing your finances, and all sorts of careers advice. Or get active in the workshop zone and find out how you can start your own business and turn your dream into a reality. Life is good, and it's just about to get better. So come to the Croydon Fairfield Halls on June 21st, 2012, because now is the time to get into Action to Work.